Good morning, year two, and welcome to our last day of home learning. Woohoo! Okay, we are going to end it by moving some shapes. So Mira wants to give instructions to Ravi to move this red square to this blue square. Okay, what should she say? Now, we need to know our right and left. Now, the way I remember is when I'm looking at it, my lefts make a L, and I write with my right. But if you're a lefty, you might write with your left. So have a think about what hand do you write with? I write with my right. And I know that that's my left. Okay. So I know I need to come down to here. So I need to go 1, 2, 3 down. And then I need to go right 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right. Okay, so I know that if I did it the opposite way, but that's the way I prefer. I went down, then across, whereas these, they went across, then down. Okay, but now we get a little bit harder because we've got whole shapes. Now this one's fairly simple. We're moving it 2 steps to the right. So 1, 2. So I would draw it here. Now we've got a rectangle. So what I do instead is I will use my pencil or pen to draw a dot in one of the vertices. And then I'm going to move that vertices too. 1, 2. And then I'm going to use my pencil again. I'm using different colours just to help you. You can though as well. And I want to move this vertices too. 1, 2. And then I use my pen again and I go to this vertices and I move it 1, 2. And then the last one, 1, 2. So if you look, all my vertices are now in the right place and I use a ruler to join them up. It's not very good joining up, but you know what I mean. Okay, so now again, I'm going to use blue for the bottom one here. I'm going to go 1, 2. And then red for my top one. 1, 2. And then I'm going to do my last one. 1, 2. Now, because I've colour coded mine, I know exactly where I'm going. I know I've got to do red to green to blue and then back up to red. And there's my triangle. Okay, so now again, this wants me to move each shape 4 steps down. So remember, I put a dot on one of the vertices and I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4. And then I'm going to go to this vertices. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, you're going from the vertices. What I did was go from the wrong one and almost put the same dot in. Okay. Gonna go for this one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the last one. 1, 2, 3, 4. And again, I can use my ruler to match these shapes up. Okay. Now, the squares I always find easy for some reason. So I can literally go 1, 2, 3, 4. And it goes right here. I think because it's just a block that you're moving, whereas this is a few blocks, isn't it? Or like half blocks. But anyway. So I'm now going to move this shape. I'm going to choose this vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now this vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the other vertices. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which puts my triangle down here. Now this says, how can the triangle move to position A, B and C? So what I'm going to do is dot here, and I've got to think how I go up to, well, across to A. So I'd have to go from this corner, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to check 1, 2, 3, and then check here, 1, 2, 3. So I know I've got to go that way, 3. So I've got to go right, that's my right. So for A, I've got to go 3 to the right. Ooh. To the right. Okay, now I'm going to do this vertices and I'm going to up to B. So 1, 2, 3. But I'm going to check 1, 2, 3. Yep. 1, 2, 3. So I know that B is B is 3 up. Okay. Now C's a little bit harder. So C, from here I have to go 1, 2. That's to my left. And then 1, 2, down. So I'm going to write that down just to check. So C is 2 to the left and 2 down. So let's check with this one. 1, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, let's check with this one. 1, 2, 1, 2. So I know it's 2 to the left, and I wrote that down, and then 2 down. Okay, so try and remember. Okay, so you're now going to be doing worksheet 9, which is this. So you have some shapes to move. So remember what I did? I found a vertices and I moved that first.
I don't know that.
Sorry, that was my Alexa. So I used the vertices to move, don't I? And then here, again, use your vertices to help you move and decide what happens. Okay, I cannot wait to see you all on Monday, and I'm sure your mums and dads will be glad of the break. Okay, see you Monday and have a lovely weekend. Bye.